And so today, well, tonight, technically it's night, it's like 8 o'clock. Things supposed to be in bed, but we're picking up my mom at Walmart. Sorry about the background noise, it's just the radio playing. So I'm going to be showing you some fidgets that I got today, not brand new, fresh from the store. Why did I say fresh? It's supposed to be like, I don't know what the definition of like I don't know what I'm gonna say next, but I forgot to show you guys this little. Can you see it? It's really different. It's like a little Shopkin charm on there, like Apple. I forgot their name, but I used to watch them all the time. It's an apple and strawberry. You can't really see it. It flips backwards. But yeah. So I'm gonna tell you who they're from. They're from my classmates. They're really nice friends. So first I got a DNA ball. It's like this is from a girl named Ava. Shout out to you, Ava, in my class. She's a really nice girl. Let me try to get my glass. Okay, so it's a DNA ball. It's dirty, but I cleaned it. But like, it's foggy when you don't squish it. When you squish it, it's like really clear. I like that feeling. It's really foggy and very clear. I wish this was like the DNA ball. Like replace the fogginess with this. It'd be the best. So this is from a girl named Ava. Shout out to her in my class. And then we got this adorable sloth puppet from a girl named Annabelle. She's a new student to our class. She's really, really nice. She's a new student. She came to our. She has like a British accent and blonde hair. If you see her. Not that. There's two different types of. She has blue eyes. I know another animal that used to be in my kindergarten class, and she had blonde hair and blue eyes. So this is from a girl named Annabelle. She's in my class. She's a really, really nice girl. So this sloth puppet, it's like white. There's.
To the number 9899898, and you'll get a no-cost, no obligation info. You text.
Yeah, there is white, blue, and a very bright green. I don't know if that's yellow, green, but very nice green. I'm not sure if it's neon, but that's a really cute sloth. So it's from Annabelle. I'm just popping it behind. And then we're gonna open the little lunchbox, and then two things in here. I got two things in here. So here's a mini like star puppet. It's like the bubbles are very tiny. It might look like a medium-sized puppet, but look, it is a small puppet. Not as small as my square my little itty bitty square puppet and a heart puppet, but yeah. So, star puppet. And then last minute, my mom's coming. And then I got these orange magnet rings, which is from Ava. So this was from Annabelle. And then this was from a girl named Ava, which is the girl that gave me this DNA box. Yeah. So that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed, and as I said, tuning out. Good night.